Ever wonder why some people always seem to struggle financially? Most people stay broke because they never learn these powerful money hacks. Let's unlock your financial potential. Here's hack number 1. Track every dollar you spend. It sounds simple, but knowing where your money goes is the first step to control. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet. Every coffee, every subscription, every purchase. This awareness empowers you to make smarter spending decisions. Next, hack number 2. Implement the 24-hour rule before buying. For non-essential purchases, wait a full day. This cools down impulse buying, often after 24 hours. You'll realize you don't truly need that item. It's a powerful psychological trick to save hundreds, even thousands. Hack number 3. Cancel unused subscriptions. They're silent money drains. Go through your bank statements. You might be surprised by what you're paying for. Streaming services, apps, gym memberships you never use, cut them loose. This simple audit can free up significant cash flow every month. Hack number 4. Pay yourself. First, make saving automatic and non-negotiable. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account. Do it the moment you get paid, before you even see the money. This ensures your financial future is prioritized. Building wealth effortlessly. Hack number 5. Learn one high-income skill. Invest in yourself. Skills like coding, digital marketing, or graphic design are in high demand. Online courses and resources make it accessible to everyone. This boosts your earning potential significantly, opening new doors. Finally, hack number 6. Start a simple side hustle. Turn your passion into profit, whether it's freelancing, selling crafts, or even pet sitting. Every extra dollar counts. A side hustle provides financial cushion and accelerates your goals. It's about diversifying your income and building financial resilience. So, to recap, track every dollar, use the 24-hour rule, and cancel unused subscriptions. Pay yourself first. Learn a high-income skill, and start a simple side hustle. These aren't just tips. They're habits that can truly transform your financial life. Start implementing them today, and watch your wealth grow. Like, follow, and subscribe for more money hacks and financial wisdom.